Hey guys, Zuru65 here. I'm currently not feeling too well, as you can tell by my voice. I got this fall done last night, and I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys so I can get packed up at some point. This is Robi, sent to me by Javier to fix. He had a lot of issues, broken shoulder, broken hip, and a broken head. Thankfully, I had the parts on hand, so I replaced everything that was needed, and we adjusted a few things, so all is good. So here he is. Hello, Robi. Hello, Robi.
Good afternoon.
Come here, Robi.
Uh-oh.
Come to me, Robi.
It will be all right.
Voice recognition on this one is not the best. Let's dance. Robi, dance. Robi.
No problem.
It's fun. He's walking for the most part. Robi, let's dance together. Dance, Robi. Let's sing a song. Robi, dance.
No problem.
I told you to dance, not walk forward. Dance. Somehow I can get to do it in Japanese, but not the English one. But yeah, that's all for now. There's not much else. He's working and he's ready to go back home. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one.